Rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. First, in the name of Allah. Who is most beneficent and merciful. Thank God Allah has given us this opportunity to see this day and speak something about our dearest homeland. Today is 14 August. This is our Independence Day. We must celebrate this day with complete excitement and with zealous. We are to put buntings and flutter flags in our streets and home must decorate everything because this day we got freedom. Pakistan! Pakistan!